Hello guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end you'll want to become friends and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. So I have Boxy Premium for the month of April 2022 and I have used the products, most of them. I have to tell you, this is what she looked like. And I'll try to put close-ups of the products in here for you. Let's go through it. And I'll put prices on the screen too. The Mitchell and Peach English Leaf Body Oil, I'm going to be honest with you guys, it doesn't really do a whole lot. I mean, it just kind of makes you shiny and it dries down and that's pretty much it. So could I have done without this? Absolutely. But I will use it since I got it. Okay, the next thing is this really markerish, and I have it on my eyes, My Beauty brand Teint by Me. It's a very, very marker. It feels like you're using a Sharpie. I'm going to be perfectly honest with you. I am not a fan of this at all whatsoever. I like the Tarte liquid liner or the Hindash liquid liner or basically any other liquid liner, to be perfectly honest with you. So this guy here was a no-go for me, but I do have it on because I tried it for you guys. So okay, before I did my brows, I did use the iconic London Brow Wax. Are they calling it brow soap now? I don't know. And this toothbrush, which I think is funny because I don't really have too many brows, but I just kind of put this here helps the product stick to my brows, so I use this first. And it's okay. It's not bad. It's like any other wax I've ever used, so nothing special, but if you don't have one, you're bound to have one, you're bound to get one, or you know what I mean. Anyway, okay, next, the Murad Skin Smoothing Polish. This is an excellent product, and I love it. This one here has a seal on it, but it is a repeat item for me, not in Boxycharm though, I got it in another subscription box, and I did enjoy this very, very much. I did not open it because I won't be using it as I already have one open. Next, I do have the Nabla Lip Gloss on. And it's just a light lip gloss. I mean, we get so many of them. They're pretty much almost all the same. I'm going to be perfectly honest with you. There's nothing special about this. It just makes your lips shiny. And a little bit moist. But it's not like Fenty Beauty lip gloss or some of the other brands like Too Faced. Those I definitely prefer over Nabla. Okay, and the last product, and probably the most exciting one, was the Natasha Denona. Yes, 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 yes. I like this because it's an illuminator, and I have it on, and it helps keep the moisture in your skin. And then I have on the highlight as well. I do enjoy this. This is like the best product out of this box for me. This is a close second, the Murad. So let's go ahead and recap, and then you guys can tell me what you think. So we had the useless Mitchell and Peach Body Oil. We had the very useless Sharpie. Then we had the, I hope you guys are okay that I'm being honest, like really honest, the iconic London Brow with the toothbrush. And the Natasha Denona, right? That was everything? Yes! So tell me what you think down in the comments below. I'll put the total value of this box on the screen. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate you guys so, so very much. If you haven't checked out my L'Oreal Cosmetics video, you might want to do that because I am really liking that subscription way more than the others right now. And if it's not something that you've tried yet, you definitely may want to try it. They recently came out with, in the last couple months, an all makeup subscription. I mean, you do get brushes in there too, and lashes, but it blew me away. Alright guys, I will talk to you down in the comments and see you real soon in another video. Bye!